Tell us about the jewelry, and what inspired that, especially this particular design.
Okay. I don't know whether to call it a mantra, but it's, I basically, excellence is doing the common thing and commonly well. These are beads. You see.
Let's say you were architect.
Yes, and that's something that was said by Rockefeller. The late. And you see, these things are available, they're locally available, but you see, they're always used as pendants. So why not just join them?
Yes.
And this is actually cowhorn and bone, just a combination of the two, and the amber beads. So just join it, and that's what you come up with. Yeah.
How would you price this ensemble? The jewelry and the dress.
How would I? Okay, the jewelry together and the dress.
Yes.
As an entire outfit.
Exactly, yes. How would much of the jewelry go for?
The jewelry would go for, the piece I sell it at 7,000. Then the ring, I'd do it for 1,000 shillings.
We didn't talk about the ring. Yes. That's an interesting design. Made of what?
Those are just Maasai beads.
Right.
Yes.
Doing things.
Doing the common thing and commonly well.
Absolutely.
Yes. Yeah.
The dress, how much would that go for?
Well, because of the bridal market.
Yes, which is massive.
First of all, I love what I do, and I would, because of now the pricing that the bridal houses in Nairobi have, I have to work with the pricing that they have, and so for me, this I would cost it at 50,000 shillings.
Right. It's within the same range as any bridal.
Yes.
Yeah, and not too. It's affordable.
Yes.
Yeah.
So not cheap. It's affordable, which is good. Okay. Thank you. In terms of, now, let's talk about the event on the 5th of September. What is it about? Is it specifically the two of you showcasing your wares, or other people? Tell us about the event.
Well, the event is called Arusi. It is an Arabic word meaning wedding. It is, well...
Why not Harusi, which is a Swahili word for wedding?
Because we want it to be different.
We
are different.
The common thing and commonly well. Plus, you have to get a snazzy name.
Yeah, so this kind of looks snazzy.
Yeah.
This looks very snazzy. BT, if you want to show that one, it's a name up right there. It looks very snazzy. Yeah, keep going.
It's going to be on the 5th of September. We are working with different wedding vendors. Also, we are to bring out a package for a bride, so that eventually, if and when a bride comes to us, we can let them know that we also work with the caterer, we work with the confectioner, we work with the makeup artist. So it's a full package.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Themed together? Would you say?
Yes. It is themed.
Is that different?
Yes.
We're doing things. I'm going to catch up with that. I wanted to ask, in terms of, for some reason you've got, like, for example, Ghana and the Kente, that has, spread out to both sides, to all the sides of Africa in terms of popularity. And I like what you said, you love what you do. And what the two of you are doing in terms of course, giving a package that is affordable and different in terms of the bridal industry. I don't know if I should call it that.
Yes.
In terms of spreading then your expertise outside of Kenya, any plans towards that endeavor? And like Rwanda or Uganda, do people come and say, yes, we've seen what you've done, I would like you to?
We are aware that there is market in East Africa. The reason we are doing this, first of all, is because we are, for lack of a better word, bored of the weddings we have been attending.
Okay.
And so right now,
yes.
we are taking a new step. We are telling people, you can think about your wedding. You can actually leave people who love what they do to think it for you and bring it out for you in a different way. We know there is market in Uganda. We know there is market in Rwanda. We know there is market in Dar es Salaam. And we are not just doing it for here. We are moving on we are taking a step so that we can spread our wings into East Africa, and the world. Because right now, fashion in East Africa is unfortunately dead.
But I like how you say that. Very well selected. In terms of so the benefits of the Arusi event happening on the 5th. What will somebody walk out with in terms of information, in terms of something that's different from the norm, in terms of bridal accessories?
What will someone walk out with?
Okay.
In terms of, what's different? I like what you're saying. It is boring. Yeah.
What's different is the thought we have put into this.
Yeah, because first of all, we are working with what we have. It's going to be in a residential area, which is different. So we want to create a homey feeling. That's one. Two, we're not using the conventional model, the 36, 24, 36.
Yes.
We are going with a plus size, because many women tend to feel ignored. Many women of the plus size, they think they cannot look good and be stylish because all they see on the catwalk, on the runway, is, paper, with a thin girls.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so if you come for if even let's say we've invited a male person who's coming, they'll say, my fiancé is not like that. That's not her size. So they'll be able to walk out with how would I put it, a stylish way of dressing up for their events.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because you're going to do the bridal, the gowns, the bridesmaids' dresses, and just,
nice. And
the jewelry also.
So, as we wind up, where will this event be?
It is going to be at Thompson Estate, which is on Riara Road, off Ngong Road.
Right.
On Riara Lane. It's the second gate on the right.
Right. I think I know where that is.
Yes.
Charges?
Charges 300 shillings at the gate.
Right. Is it a full day event, an afternoon?
It is it's in the afternoon between 1 and 6 p.m.
Absolutely. Good one. Well, Roseville, it was a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
Anna.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We asked you a question earlier about whether you thought the president was justified in returning Justice Wingera, his justice choice, as the director of the Anti-Corruption Commission. So your results in a few. Stay with us. Bye-bye.